Mami. Ito na. At mamaya, kita-kits na lang. Hindi ko alam. Nabigla ako.
Actually, nag-start relationship or nag-start pagkilala through online or dating app.
Kakaswipe ko sa dating apps. Na-stop ko sa iyang na-stop ko sa iyang face at doon nag-start. Siyempre, nag-chat ako agad.
It started with a hi, hello, hasta naging comfortable ha sa usa.
At ayun, nag-reply naman. Ito hindi naman ibigo.
To my groom, ready ka na? Kaya kung kukulba na ako. Pero, see you later, hapon kasi.
Una sa lahat, thank you Lord. Kasi umabot kami dito. Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, wala kami dito. Mi, congratulations sa atin. Napakaswerte mo kasi ako yung naging napakasawa mo. Siyempre, mas maswerte ako kasi ikaw yung maging kasama ko habang buhay.
To the love of my life, Mark. I never imagined that love would find me in such an unexpected way through a dating app.
I've waited 100 years.
Usa lang nga swipe, usa lang nga mensahe. But then, that where love began to give direction to my heart. We started unsure, our hearts confused, and even set our paths apart. Yet God is so good. Fate brought us back together, even across the distance.
Hindi naman natin batid ang maging takbo ng buhay. Ngunit, patid kong ikaw ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay. Hindi man kita araw-araw kasundo, pero araw-araw kitang mahal. Kahit sa panahon ang sablay-sablay natin, pero mahal na mahal pa din kita.
How you curl your lip when you concentrate enough. But I would've known what I was living for all along. What I've been living for.
We were shaped by different worlds, but united by love. You showed me that love, like the sea, can be deep and unpredictable, but always worth sailing for. Distance tested our hearts, waiting pushed our limits, yet my love for you only grows stronger. Ikaw ang akon palagi.
At kung mapagod man ang puso natin, lagi nating balikan kung gaano naging faithful sa atin ang Panginoon sa kanyang mga pangako.
Today, I vow to remain by your side, in joy and sorrow, across every distance and through every return.
Hindi ako perpektong tao, pero gagawin ko ang makakaya ko.
I will be your comfort when you're tired at the sea, and I will be your shoulder to lean on when the waves are strong.
Thank you for being the one I waited for, hope for, and pray for. Sabay nating lalakbayin at talampasan ang marupok na daan. At alam ko, sa paggising ko sa umaga, 4 na letra ang pangalan ko ang hahanapin.